Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage N, The Man. The train sped quickly through the tunnels under the city. The passengers sat quietly, were rocked from side to side gently by the motion of the train. The doors opened with a hiss, and every passenger left except for one. A sign at the last station read, "End of line." A man in the last carriage was slumped over, snoring, and didn't notice. The train driver stepped out of the train and locked the cabin. A brief glance into the passenger cabin told him everyone had disembarked. The lights went out. Questions. Where were the people sitting? Where was the train? What is meant by the word rocked as it is used in the text? What happened to the man? Why did the lights go out on the train? Now let's check the answers. Where were the people sitting? The people are sitting on a train. We know this because it mentions a train at the beginning, it mentions passengers, and it mentions them being rocked from side to side by the motion of the train. Where was the train in sentence 1? The train was in a tunnel under the city. What is meant by the word rocked as it is used in the text? Here is the word rocked. Here it means to be moved from side to side, as you would if you were on a train. What had happened to the man? The man had fallen asleep, and we know that because he was snoring. Why did the lights go out on the train? The train had completed its last trip, or perhaps we could say the driver had got out. Here it says the lights went out, and here it says the driver stepped out and locked the cabin, suggesting it's at the end of its trip. Thank you for your time. How did you go?